Good morning, everyone. I'm doing the weekly card challenge with Mintay again, and I am going to be using the photographer again since it's my collection obsession. I've got it still sitting here and thought I'm just going to go ahead and use it. And I'm going to kind of build a background with some papers from the 6x8. And oh, the theme is you can't use florals. And I thought, oh my gosh. But I'm sure I've done it before. It's just been a while. Okay, so I've picked out 3 papers and I'm going to tear them. But the first one I'm just going to put down here at the bottom. I think I'm going to open it up. Maybe it'll be easier to... No, my friend, she always does this so that she doesn't put them, so that she doesn't put things on the wrong side. Okay. And then I'm gonna tear this one, and I'm not sure if it looks like wood or maybe looks like wood over, oh, maybe, I don't know, some of it looks like wood, the other kind of looks almost like leather. But it could be, you know, like wall that's painted brown. Okay, so I'm gonna tear this. And I'm trying to get just a slight angle, which I think I'm failing. Okay, let me try just a little bit more off this one side. Because I want it a little more torn off on one side. Okay, let me see how that looks. Okay, yep, that's what I was going for. And I'm going to use a little bit of this vintage photo on here. Just on the parts that I have that are the white. And I'm going to curl it up a little bit. Okay, so that's going to be there. I have to adjust my glasses so I can see it. Oh, down a little bit further. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm going to kind of roll that up a little bit more. There, that works. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Oh, this is the other side. Has the little cute little cameras on there. Gotta make sure I got the right part. Okay. And I'll have plenty even if I tear up that. I'm going to again take more off the one side. So I'll make sure I don't overdo it. And I'm gonna roll it up again. Oh, I guess I maybe should ink it first. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. And I'm gonna get my little more inky on here. And I'll tell you, I'm over this cold weather. I'm sure several of you know that you feel the same way. It's like, I have different long sleeve, you know, fleece and stuff, but this is the one that covers me up the most and is the warmest. So it's like, whenever, you know, we do laundry, it's like I have to put it in the laundry so I get it back again. Okay, because this is my favorite warm one. or the one that's warm enough. Okay, yep, that looks good there. Okay, let me line that up. Well, okay, and then I figured this would be great for my husband's brother because he still does photography. Okay, and I'm gonna angle this. I gotta make sure that all my things here are gonna fit in, and I want it to stay. I might take this photographer and put that up at the top, and then snapshot here. I might pull it down just a little bit because I want the snapshot over the edge of this a little bit. So I think I'm going to put this down first. And you know, sometimes I don't glue that, but I am now. And I'm gonna kind of shoot for the middle. I'm gonna put it up just a little bit more so that I get to see my tearing, because I like that. Oh, and you know what? I want this kind of tucked in. Is it too late to do that? Maybe. Okay, yeah, I can still get that in there. Because I want that tucked in just a little bit. Okay, and I want snapshot to be there and photographer just above it, but maybe just a little bit of overlapping on it. So I think if I put it there about 1/4 of an inch down, that should be good. Oh, and I'm gonna banner cut this with my hexagon. Okay, I'm thinking about 1/4 of an inch. A bit of tape that's showing through. I love to be able to use the branding label because they're always really pretty too. Okay, and then I'm gonna just overlap that, both things. Okay, I like that there. Okay, and then I have a camera and a tripod. I had a smaller one picked out, but it had the bar that you move around to focus, or you know which direction, and it was on the wrong side on every single one of them. So I was like, oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, and then I'm gonna put him right, I think overlapping right there. So I think I'll put some dimensionals on him. I have cut the card just slightly smaller, and oh, I was gonna say, what did I do with those? There they are. Cut the card just a little bit smaller, so if I add dimension, I still have plenty of space for it. Okay, now I should be able to, well, think I'm gonna need one more smaller one down here. And then a few larger ones. Maybe one more. Okay. You know, if you push them down good, it's a lot easier to get those little tabs off them. Okay, and I just want them overlapping the leg of this and just a little bit of overlap over everything. You know what? I think there's a piece here that doesn't belong here. Can I get that off? You know, I fussy cut these, and once in a while I miss something and I find it right when I'm going to use it. Okay, so a little bit of overlap over everything. Okay, so there's that. I think that's super cute. Okay, and then in here, I do like to add something here. I've already put a banner end off on this fishtail. And I'm going to put that right here. And then I have a camera and a camera lens. Let's see, I'm going to put that here. This right beside it, and then have this being right beside it. Sometimes I forget to put things in here, but I like a little embellishment on the inside too. All right, and I cut it one of those invitation envelope size, so that way I can, you know, I just cut it a little bit smaller on each side so that it can go in here and fit well no matter what I put on there. So let's see, I'm gonna show you. Maybe, hopefully it works. Okay, yeah, because I usually try it sometime during it, or you know, at least after I get it made. But I thought I'd show you that it does help to get it a little bit smaller, so that when you put it in the envelope, even if you put some dimensionals on it or whatever, it will still work good. Okay, and I want that little leg to stay down because it definitely wanted to stick on my on the envelope. Okay, so that's all there is today, and thank you for joining me. I will put a close-up at the end. Well, I'll put close-ups. And have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.